Hey loves, it's Shelby. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. You know I love you. I'm Shelby. I'm the blogger behind Shelby.com. I am also the owner of Shelby Christian Stationery. And today I am back with another studio vlog. Hopefully there will be a Bible study vlog right after this next week, but that's another story for another day. Anyway, so I share videos on Thursday, typically every other Thursday. Trying to get to every Thursday. It's a work in progress. But today I'm doing a studio vlog, rambling already. So often or lately I have been working during the workday, like, you know, as I work my 9 to 5, also working the stationery business, mainly because I do so much printing and cutting, and since I'm already in the office, you know, working the 9 to 5, it just makes sense to also have, you know, the printer running and things like that. So I haven't been capturing as much footage for that reason. So I said, let me pick up the camera this morning and just talk to you guys and let you know what's going on. So really blessed this week, like seriously blessed this week. I spoke blessings over this week, and here it comes rolling in, right? Positive affirmations. Anyways, so really blessed this week. We already had 2 wholesale orders for stickers. Yay. So I am cutting stickers like crazy, literally, and trying to get, and shaky camera coming in, and trying to get them ready for the order. So I actually wanted to show, and sorry, I'm like looking around lost. I actually wanted to show you guys the backboards that I created yesterday. I'm making a mess. Wanted to show you guys the backboards I made yesterday. Since these will be new little babies to the shop. Don't know if you can see these, but yeah, so I just created some new backboards. I'm doing a lot of stuff with the shop as far as changes. Let's see if you can see that really good. So I actually like it. I think it came out really good. Super excited. To me, it's very simple, which is exactly what I'm going for. Essentially, I just want like every sticker pack to have the same backboard, but just the change of the title and adding the website so that I can stop doing the branding stickers. If you've been around here for a while, you probably remember this packaging and these stickers, which I still have, you know, like plenty of stickers packed, which I can show you guys in just a second here. So these are like spinning. This is our current stock of stickers, right? But we have a lot of different I'm moving around. I have a lot of different stickers in the shop now. I don't know how many, like a ton. At least 5 different sets at this point. So I have a lot of different stickers in the shop now. So even though I have a ton of stickers made, they are not the stickers that were ordered. So that's why I'm over here trying to get everything cut and print and all of that good stuff. Rambling, trying to talk fast because I'm supposed to get to work, right? So I'm trying to get everything made for the wholesale order, and I don't know, sometimes when I'm like working on orders, I get these ideas and epiphanies and things that I should change. I don't know, am I the only small business owner who does that? Like, oh my gosh, you need to do so and so. But anyway, so I'm just trying to like streamline everything in the shop essentially and make the process of creating the product as easy as possible while still maintaining like a brand, you know, while still making it to where it's recognizable of like where the items came from, because so many of my customers are coming from Etsy or coming from wholesale websites and they don't necessarily know who Shelby is. So just trying to make sure like the branding is still there, but that I'm also not creating like a really heavy workload on myself, because I do have to still work full time. I do still have my kids to take care of, husband to take care of, household to take care of, still want to keep my relationship with God and do my Bible study routine. So obviously I want to do all the things, but I have to also try to make sure where there's places for me to eliminate stuff that I do so. So that's why I decided to change the packaging. So I'm praying that this will be a good solution for me so that I can stop doing the little back stickers with the logo and stuff on it. We'll see. I think it's a good way to go. But like I said, I am making a lot of changes to the shop. It's gonna be coming slowly but surely, because I don't necessarily just want to like throw out, you know, everything. I just kind of want to make it possible to be more manageable. That's really what it comes down to. Like, I want it to be manageable, in something that I can do long term. And so just always trying to think of ways to improve the experience while also maintaining my sanity. Is that so wrong? But yeah, so I am working on these wholesale orders. I'm gonna be quiet because I do need to turn this cutting machine back on. And yeah, I'm gonna let you guys come with me for the day. I hope I rambled enough for you guys. Hey, so it's the next day. I think I can't remember what today is. I can't remember what day is. Thursday. So it's the next day. I was able to finish that wholesale order. Woo! I don't remember if I got footage. If I did, it'll definitely be in here. But I packaged up all the stickers, so it was 60 stickers, and those have been picked up by the mail carrier. Yay! So I have another wholesale order that I'm working on, so I'm gonna be showing you guys some footage of that. Like, what a blessing in a busy week this is becoming. I can't even believe it. And
Subscribe to my mommy channel. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.